Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import videos into CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the application opens, on the main editing screen, you'll see the import section where you can add videos, images, and other media files to your project. To import videos using the first method, click on the Import button. A file browser window will open. Now, navigate to the folder where your videos are stored, select the videos you want to import, and click Open or OK. The selected videos will appear in the CapCut media library. From there, you can drag them to the timeline and start editing. Let's look at another method. Open the folder on your computer where your videos are saved. Then, select one or more videos that you want to use in your project. Simply drag and drop the selected videos directly into the import section or media library in CapCut. CapCut will automatically import the files, and they'll be ready to use in your project. Both methods work the same way, so you can use whichever one is more convenient for you. And that's it. This is how to import videos into CapCut. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.